Hello, my dear students. Welcome back again to our another video. And today I'm going to provide you some assignments on the chapters numbers up to 99 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. So let's see the questions. Our question number 1 is fill in the blanks. I have written some questions here and I will explain it. Already you know these answers. Then also I am saying this all once again. So you just listen very carefully and write it in your copies with the answer. Is it clear, students? So see the questions. Our question number A is the place value of days is always 0. So you got this answer, students? Yes or no? Yes. The place value of what is always 0? You know, no? The place, any number multiplied with 0, you are getting what? If a number, suppose 1 into 0, you will get 0. Any number multiplied with 0, you are getting 0. And what does mean place value? Place value means the face value or the digit of a face value of a digit or digit itself you can write into the place of that. Then it is the place every time you will get the 0. So 0 is all, it will be 0. And when 1 is added to a given number, we get the dash of the given number. Means what? Already if you have seen our previous classes, you know this answer. Yes or no, students? I have said this thing. So in our previous classes also I have explained it. The successor and predecessor means what? You know it. The a number just after a number, then what you have to do? Just after means you have to add 1, and just before means a number you have to subtract 1. So just after, when you just after means that number is called successor. So how you can write the successor? It means we have to add 1. So when 1 is added to a given number, we get the successor of the given number. Is that clear, students? In our previous class also I have said it. Alright, students, so let's see our question number C. There are days, places in the million period. So if you have gone through the previous videos or the chapter, if you have completed the chapter number 1, that there I have explained the both the choice of numeration, system of numeration, Indian as well as the international system of numeration. So in the international system of numeration there is a period million, and in that period what is there? In million period also 3 places. Or for how many places, students? If you have seen, once again you can check that, then you will get this answer. Alright, students, so let's see our question number D. The place value of this is always the same as the face value. So place value of what is always the same as the face value? So it will be obviously place value of what, students? I have said something related to this, so you have got this answer. So do it by yourself. And in number you can see commas are inserted in a number after each word. So commas are inserted after each word. You are writing the number. Suppose you will write here a number according to the Indian numerical system. Suppose you are writing this number. How you can put this commas? After each, then after 3, then 2, then more you can give 2. So that means it is a 1 in period, and it is also once period, then once period, thousands period, then less period, like this you are writing. So after each period we are writing the or using the commas. So commas inserted means you will put the comma, so it will be after each period. Alright students, so after each period it will be after each period. Then now you can see that question number F. The place value of 5 in the numeral, this one. So 5 in the numeral, what is there? 5. So you can see one, it is in ones period, ones, then ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then it is in lakhs period. So place value of 5 in the, what will be 5 lakhs. So you can write it. Alright, there are dash zeros in the 8 crore. So you can write the 8 crore, then you can count the number of zeros. Alright, now 482 rounded off to the nearest 100 is what? So nearest 100 means how you can see? Nearest tens you have to see, then you can write 100. 1 lakh is equal to this 1000. So 1 lakh is how many? 1 lakh how you can write? There in 1 lakh you can write this way. So 1 lakh in how many? If it is 1 lakh, then how many thousand it will be? 1 lakh means it will be, see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then it will be 100,000, 100,000. So it will be 100. This is the 100,000 or not? So 1 lakh is actually, it is in lakhs per lakhs. So 1 lakh means it will be 1 lakh is equal to the 100,000. So alright students, now let's see our question number 2. That is that rounded off numbers as directed to the near 1000. So nearest 1000 means what would be to the hundreds place digit. You have to see it. If it is 3, then how it will be? 3 or 4. You know, if it is more than 5, then you have to add 1, or less than 5, then you have to leave that. Just you have to give 0 and remain it will be C. Alright, these 3 it will be 0 and it will be same. Now 11,057. So to the nearest 10. So nearest 10 means one digit we have to see. One digit it is in 7. So for what it will be, you have to add 1 to the nearest one. So this is also clear to you know. And if you have done, then you can write this answer also. 3 number is rewrite the following numbers in the Indian as well as international system of numeration in both figures and words. So I have written some digits here. You have to use the comma, then it will be the both in figures say and words. So at first you will write both the, suppose you will write like this, this number you will write 98637901. So in Indian system of numeration, how you will write? Indian system of numeration, you will write system, you will write that, how you will write? In figures, then you have to use that comma. It will be like this. That means you will just insert the comma. Then in words, how you will write? In words, it will be, how we can say? That will be 9 crores 86 lakhs 37,901. So same way you will write it also. International also you will write. Then in words up to you have to write here. Then international also you have to use the comma, like 637901. So after 3 digit you have to give that comma. Then how you can write it, read it or read out also, or write it also, that 98,637,901. So this like you have to write. All right, in figures means it, and words then you will how I have read, or just like you have to write in words also. Same way you will do these two also. And the question number 4 is write the period, place, face value and place value of the underlined digits. So underlined, there are 2 numbers I have written. You have to write the underlined digit is here 9. So you have to write the period of 9 and place of 9 and face value of 9 and place value. So place value or period of, here you can write period of 9 or of 9, that means 9 is the underlying digit, so you have to write the period of 9 is what it will be. Once, you can see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then just like so. Ones is in 9 is in lakhs period. Then it is the place also same. So place also you have to write this way of, then you write the face value also. So you will have to write the face value. Face value means you have to write the digit itself. So face value will be 9 and place also will be 9. Then it will be the place value. Place value also you know how to write place value. Place value it will be that 9, then 20, then more 30. You have to like the 9 lakhs this way. So this way you have to do the B number answer. So alright student. So same way. Now we will see the question number 5. From the smallest and greatest number using each of the following digits only once. That means you have to use the digit only one times. So digits are there 8, 9, 5, 0, 1, 6, 3, 2. So which is the largest one? That one you have to write. From that you have to write the numbers orderly for the greatest number, and for the smallest number you have to write it from the smaller one. So but you don't write from the 0, because 0 we cannot write in the beginning of a number 0. So we have to start from this for the smallest number from the 1. Alright students, and this type of things we have done in our earlier classes also. Chapter exercise number 1.1 also we have done in more some few chapters. We have few exercises also done, so you can see from there also. Alright students, and 6 and 7 just you have to write in expanded form and standard form. So I no need to explain. I think this all you know students. So students, you do it by yourself. And arrange in ascending order, this can be also done by you also. You do it by yourself, ascending order. And look 9 number, look at the pattern and write the next 3 number. So this one I will little bit explain. See here, 250674 and 2507754. You can see the number. There is all the digits are same, except here it is 6 in thousands place. There it is 7. Here it is 8. So which digit it changes? You can see here it's clearly that only the 1000 digits is changing. So 1000 means here it is 1000 is adding to each number. So here it will be at 1000 it is added. So then if you add here 1000 more, that means in only thousands place is changing. Remain will be 0, 0 same. So it will be like this: 4, 5, 7, 8 plus 1 is 9, 0, 5, 2. So similarly it will be, if you add 1 here, then you will get more one number. Same way you can do this, can be done by you. Now our question number 10 is, find the sum of greatest 6-digit number and smallest 8-digit number. So greatest 6-digit numbers is what, you know it students? Yes or no? Yes, obviously you know these two, smallest 8-digit number also and greatest 6-digit. So at first you will write both the numbers, then you will add. So sum means you have to just add. Alright students, thank you. I hope this is clear to you now. So do this sums.